Hi guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a great day. Today my video is going to be on vTech Smart Shots Sports Center. So if you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check the video description for that. So the vTech Smart Shots Sports Center is a great gift idea for babies and kids. My son has been using this since he was about a year. And it has like so many different things. It has different buttons you could push, it lights up, and it comes with a basketball, and I think it came with 2 basketballs actually, so that's good just in case you like lose one or whatever. And it's great because kids can actually play this, like if you have more than one kid they can play with each other, and it's a great way to get them introduced to basketball, which my husband loves, so he definitely wanted to get my son into basketball. He's 18 months old now and he absolutely loves this. So it's not very big. It is plastic. It's easy to put together. vTech is a really great brand. I have other things that they have made as well in the house, and this was given to us as a gift, so it's certainly a great gift. And it came in about like 4 different pieces to put together. So you had to put on the basketball hoop, the red bottom, the black center, and then the red top. And then these are the buttons.
5, 6, 7, 8. You're doing great.
And this part lights up, which is pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of like an arcade game almost.
Can you kick the ball? 9, 10. We're ready to win.
And these have just like little prints on the bottom, animals. Then you could shut it off. There's 2 volume adjustments. This is like low, then this is loud. Could lift this up. The start has a nice picture. This is great for them to play with, good for sensory learning and stuff like that.
Kick the ball. Toss the ball. Show me you're a sports star.
It's so cute. I really like that it tells you what to do too. Kick the ball, toss the ball. Great for kids interacting.
Their hands, cheering, let's go, score, score, score.
So I just wanted to show you guys the music and stuff that it has. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. So like I said, it was really easy to put together. They do have them in like different colors too. So the different colors are nice. Red was just like a simple classic one. And you know what's great too is my niece also plays with it, so it is pretty unisex as well, because girls can certainly play basketball too. And I just double checked, it came with a basketball and a soccer ball, so it came with 1 of each, which is great. So you can play with the soccer ball, and then you can play with the basketball and throw it in the hoop. Gives kids great interactive experience, and it also kind of gets them moving and teaches them a little bit about basketball and introduces them to sports, which I think is really great. So I just definitely suggest this product. I think that it's great in so many ways, and it's very, very educational with the numbers and the music and everything. My son just lights up and he loves it, and especially this centerpiece where this lights up, he loves to look at it and kind of see what's going on, press the buttons himself and play with it, and it's just a really awesome toy. So guys, this was the vTech Smart Shots Sports Center. A great interactive toy for kids by vTech. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys.